Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph and asked what would be the best way to create this in Corel Draw. There's probably several ways, but what we're going to do, we're going to take a circle, an ellipse, just give us some guidance, put P and put it in the center of the page. Let's bring our picture more into the photograph or into the screen. And then take your heart, which is under your common shape or basic shape. It's a perfect looking heart, so I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect heart. I'm going to go ahead and make it 20 points thick. And then I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to start moving it. I'm going to put it anywhere pretty much on my circle. And the way this looks like it was done and done really well, what I would do is take it and go up to object and convert it to a curve. Take your shape tool, select that node and then right click and break it apart. And then you have extended lines. Try to keep them kind of in the line. Just get them away from it a little bit. Then I'm going to take this item and I'm going to clone it. And then I'm going to double click on the X and get to the rotation and move the rotation to the center. I don't think it is. I'm going to double check. It is not. Sometimes it's easier to get away and come back. Still doesn't look like it is. Wow, not doing very good. Now, if you ever see anything move it back. Okay, now we're in the center. Then I'm going to rotate it manually and try to get something close that's divisible by, so you can either go with 10 or 12. We really need to go to 12, so I'm going to go 12. And then Control D and make a duplicate of that, clone, and go 24 degrees. And you could do this with the transformation docker, but I'm just hitting Control D all the way around. And luckily, I got it really, really close. I got it pretty much dead on. But what's neat about this, the clone will move every leg. So you can snap right to that object. Now we have a lot of broken lines. I mean, even on the one we did. So my suggestion then would be to take away our ellipse. Let's move that picture out of the way. Let's select it all and go up to object and break the 30 objects apart. And then grab the shape tool and you can see the broken nodes by having, when you have two arrows, well, it doesn't do any good to zoom in. When you have two arrows, that means a broken node. So then select all of them, go up to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. I've got mine set on 0.1, and then I'm just going to hit Apply. And what that did, they closed that curve. And then this is still an outline, so you could make it thicker. Let's go like 40. That's a pretty cool design. And then you could make it any color you wanted. Probably for a heart, you'd probably want to use red. I really like that design. I think that's pretty cool and it's sharp. And anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.